Our stones are made of the highest quality aluminum, CNC machined to be perfectly flat and won't twist or flex. This ensures your stone sits true on the edges, helping you achieve the exact bevel you want. Each stone provides a full 100mm of diamond cutting surface, making them more effective for both cutting and polishing your edges. All stones are anodized and clearly laser etched to indicate their grit. Rectangular stones are typically better suited for base edge work and are designed to fit precisely into our base bevel guides. However, they also perform exceptionally well when attached to file guides using our trigger clamping system. And when the diamond surface eventually wears out, there's no need to replace the entire aluminum plate. Simply remove the worn diamond sheet and replace it with the new one of the corresponding grit. To dramatically extend the life of your diamond stones, apply just 1 or 2 drops of our edge oil and spread it evenly until dirt and debris lift away. Then rub the stone on a coarse towel. Let it dry completely before placing it back into its protective case.